Even as consumers are logged in, e-commerce platforms are expanding. Today I have with me COO and the co-founder of Wooden Street, Mr. Dinesh Pratap Singh with me, who has recently raised $3 million in Series A funding led by IAN Fund. Welcome to Property Matters. I am Neha Nagpal. Welcome, Mr. Singh.
Hi Neha.
Mr. Singh, you have recently been funded for $3 million. What are these funds for? What are your plans?
This was the second round for us. We are the only player who is working into customized furniture, that too online. So these funds we are going to utilize to enhance the user experience in virtual reality. Post-corona world, most of the people will avoid, physical movement, visiting a physical store. So we are enhancing the, digital presence and making an online customer experience better.
Why did you think of venturing into online furniture market? And how big is the market in India currently?
So the total furniture market in India is around yearly is 1 lakh crore or $15 billion, and 90% of this is unorganized. So small shops, small retail shops, small carpenters are serving 90% of this market. Lot of tax evasion happening. Customers are also not getting the services in a very standard way. So we thought of entering into this space as an organized player, and we chose online because less than 1% of this market is online today. Then our need become very much concrete, and we ventured into online market.
What is the purpose of the Wooden Street Experience Center?
At some point in time, touch and feel also become important. Although it's not the main decision criteria, but it always help, because ours is a big ticket item. When you are buying a sofa which is worth 40,000 rupees, a peace of mind is needed when you can go and see the fabric and how soft the sofa is, just for example. So hence, the physical and the digital world converge at some point, and hence the experience stores become important. So these are not the retail counters, but more of a centers where experience can be given to the customers.
Right.
About our offerings.
You just mentioned about that yours is a big ticket item, and in this COVID era, everybody is focusing on the essential items currently. What has been the consumer response for you?
So during the lockdown period, obviously the traffic was down a bit. So we saw around 25% drop in the traffic. The sales were down more. We saw a 50% reduction. But the kind of response we have started seeing after second week of May is tremendous. I would say I am myself now thinking that furniture is more or less essential stuff to be used, because this is the first time when we have spent so much time in our homes.
What is the customer behavior you are catering to?
So the typical customer profile for us is very simple. Between age ranges of 25 to 44 is our typical customer, and our customers are very design conscious. They are well read, well traveled, well educated, and they have a liking for design. We want to make it a very immersive experience. It should not be like saman dekha kharida.
If you talk about the furniture, what kind of furniture you are specialized into, and what about the price range?
We are a player into home decor segment. So we supply household furniture, and we make use of solid wood more. So Indian solid wood includes shisham wood and mango wood. Both are very sturdy and durable woods. So we make use of solid wood to design our furniture. Although we have started with engineering wood also, because sometimes for low value items, people go for engineering wood, which are cheaper in cost. It's less durable, but you don't need durability everywhere in life. Like bed should be very, very durable, sofa should be very durable, but shoe rack or display unit can, durability can, wait. So a typical item on our website starts from 2,000 rupees. It can go as high as to 1 lakh rupees, because depending on the material a customer is choosing.
How long does it take to complete this process of, from making to the delivery?
We have two kind of offering. One is, ready-made items. So we keep an inventory of the top selling items, which can be available for anywhere between 1 to 2 weeks of ordering. Second, we have a make to order process, which is the customization stuff. So typically you can assume 1 week is taken into designing an item, customer share requirements, we refine it because we are the makers. We have that responsibility. Then we make into a 3D so that customer can visualize in their homes, and then it takes 4 weeks to make them. So I would say 5 to 6 weeks typically are taken when we enter into designing.
You mentioned about that you help consumers planning their furniture. You give them the experience. Do you have the team of designers with this kind of a skill set?
So we have, a big team which, has designers, of course. So we hire from best institutes in India. And then, these designers understand the details of, what are the trends going on. And then, of course, designers, we have visualizers who turn that design into a 3D model, which can be seen into customer homes. So, they can see our app, visualize the items in their homes, or, it can be simple photograph on WhatsApp. So that's how we share the designs.
How many stores do you have currently, and where are you placed? Where are you located?
So we have currently 20 experience centers around the country. We are present almost everywhere in this country, so all the top metros. Our delivery happens across 100 cities in India.
How does your return and exchange policy works?
Whatever furniture we jointly design with our customers, we very carefully upfrontly show them that how the design is going to play around and how their stuff is going to look like. So we encourage customers to spend a lot of time on the design phase, because once a product is made, it's very difficult, for any company to take it back just because it's not of choice. So of course, if there is an issue in terms of delivery or the product is not made as per requirement, it's no question returned. So we take all our furniture back.
One last question, Mr. Singh. You have raised funds, you are going to expand. Do you have any marketing strategy?
The marketing strategy has been very clear from the beginning. We focus only on organic marketing. So we don't spend a lot of money on, Google AdWords or going to print and digital media. The best thing working in our favor is word of mouth publicity from our customers. So we see a very good repeat rate of around 30%. Our choice is very clear. We will continue to steer our way via the organic method, even though we have raised funds, but those funds will be utilized in other ways to enhance the customer experience and enhance the product offerings.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Singh, for joining us today.
Thank you so much.
I hope you like this video. If you have any query, do write to me on my Twitter handle, which is @Neha Nagpal. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You can send in your queries in the comment section below this video as well. And yes, don't forget to like and share and subscribe MBTV. Please subscribe to Magic Bricks on YouTube and press the bell icon to get new videos.